Everyone, welcome to my channel. Here I put together a few recipes that I love to meal prep for my toddler. They're really healthy and really delicious, and I think you'll like to even eat them as well. Let's get into the video. In a bowl, add 3/4 cup of quick cooking oats, 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 4 teaspoons of salt, and then you're going to mix all those dry ingredients together until fully combined. And then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 egg plus 1 egg yolk, and then 1 cup of milk. And mix everything together until fully combined, and you'll have a smooth batter. Lastly, you'll add 3/4 cup of blueberries mixed with 1 teaspoon of flour and gently fold it into the batter. For best results, refrigerate the batter for about 1 hour, but you can also use it right away. Scoop the batter onto a greased pan that's on a medium heat, and then cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Let the pancakes cool completely, and then layer them in a single layer in a labeled freezer bag and store them in the freezer for about 1 month. For the frittata, add 1 cup of finely diced ham to the bottom of a greased pie pan, 1 cup of chopped cooked broccoli, and 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and mix until combined in the bottom of the pie pan. Now we move on to the base of the frittata. Add 8 whole eggs to a separate bowl, and then beat them really well with 1/4 cup of milk and a pinch of salt. Pour the egg mixture directly over the ingredients in the pie pan. Bake at 350 for about 30 to 35 minutes. To make sure the frittata is done, put a knife inside of the middle of it and see if any egg mixture runs through it. If not, the knife should come out clean. Let the frittata cool completely, and then cut into slices and store in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 days, or about 1 month in the freezer. Into a bowl, add 1 cup of finely shredded zucchini, 1 cup of smashed banana, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 whole egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, combine 1 and 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour, and then 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Separately mix the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients until fully combined. And then combine the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients until it becomes a consistent batter. Evenly scoop the batter into a lined muffin tin that is lightly sprayed into 12 different cups. Bake the muffins at 350 degrees and for about 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Put the muffins on a separate plate to cool completely before storing in your freezer bag. These will last about 3 days in your refrigerator or about 3 months in your freezer. Into a food processor, add a half cup of shredded zucchini that is well drained, 1.5 cups of chopped frozen spinach that is defrosted and well drained as well, 1 whole egg, and mix until well combined. Add 1/4 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/2 cup of cottage cheese, 4 teaspoons of salt, and a 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs. Blend until everything is just combined. And then scoop the mixture onto a lined sheet tray that is lightly sprayed. Once everything is scooped out onto the tray, form each ball into a little nugget shape. At 400 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes, flipping them over halfway and until they're golden brown. These can be stored in your refrigerator for about 3 to 4 days, and your freezer for about 1 month.